In this video, we are going to cover how to create rate tables and what they're used for. Let's start at the Products module. Here I have identified the products used for labor. To do this, I created a view that filters all labor with project management and site labor. You can create your own product filters and views. To learn more about this, watch the following videos. Managing products, custom views, and filters. These products have been configured with a unit cost and unit price. But these are only indicative values. The true cost comes from the timesheets linked to tasks, and the actual price is based on the rate table you use. You can use different rate tables for different jobs. You do not need to create a rate table for every product. Only labor requires flexibility to use a different schedule of rates on different jobs. For example, your commercial projects have different rates against your residential projects. To create a schedule of rates, go to the Rate Table module. There are two types of rate tables, one for estimating and one for charge-out rates. Charge-out rates are used for calculating actual values. Watch the timesheet reconciliation video for more information. In this video, we are going to focus on the estimating rate tables. Here, we already have one estimating rate table for 2024 rates. We can either click on the blue button to create a rate table. Select the status as active, making it available to use. Under the rate type, select Estimating Rates, which will make the subform below appear. Make sure you enter a name. You can use the description, but in this instance, we don't require it. Then go to the subform and choose the products from your labor filter. You can select as many as you need. For each product that you select, enter a cost and price to use for the estimated price and budget. These figures are based on hourly rates. Remember, the actual cost will be based on the resource's timesheets. Once you have completed the rate table, click Save. Now you can see the new rate table. Another option is to clone an existing rate table and just change the values. Let's click on the 2024 and use the clone button at the top. Update the name. We will call it 2025 Estimating Rates. Now you can work your way down and update your rates for 2025 and click on Save when you are done. Let's go to an inquiry and update an estimate. When you go to tab 2, you can choose your rate table. Let's leave this on 2024 and proceed to the build estimate. Let's take a look at this recipe, and you can see that the product is carpenter. The unit cost and the price are the same as the 2024 rate tables. Let's now go back to tab 2 and choose 2025 rate tables. The prompt will ask you to confirm if you want to go back without saving changes. In this demo, it is safe to do so. Change the estimating rate table to 2025 and proceed again to tab 3. Now when you open the recipe, you will see the unit cost and unit price have automatically updated. In this demo, the unit is set to per hour. The estimating rate tables are also based on hourly rates. Therefore, when using rate tables with BOQ estimating, make sure the BOQ items have the same unit of measure. If sharing the same labor product as a rate table,